Hello friends, I pray God for all. I plan to upload 5 minutes paint often for beginners practicing. Today I bring you an idea to paint it. First I am applying ultramarine blue for top on the canvas board. Next I am applying red acrylic color. Here I am using only primary colors for today and upcoming all the videos. This is only for beginners practicing. When you add the red acrylic color with white, you can get the pink color. And next blend the colors together. I am using moist flat brush size 22 for this blending. Next step, I am using linear brush and picking little bit of black to create pine tree like this. I am creating here few pine trees. And here one thing, if you are the beginner, you don't know about any idea to paint, please check the beginner's guide videos available on our channel. Often I will upload this kind of 5 minutes scenery painting videos for beginners. If you try to paint this kind of small scenery paintings, then this will help you to paint and improve your skills in paint to create vast scenery. After finishing pine tree, next to create moon at night in the misty, so I pick little bit of titanium white mixed with little water. Then we are going to finish the mist effect by creating sprinkle with this diluted white color entire canvas with any kind of brush. I hope that this painting is useful for beginners practicing. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.